How to know your WhatsApp account is hacked or not. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, like this video and subscribe our channel for more updates like this. So first of all, open up your WhatsApp. After that, here in the right upper corner you can see the three dotted vertical line. Simply tap on that. After that, tap on the link device option. So here you can see no any device are linked. So it means my WhatsApp account is not hacked. If you are able to see the multiple devices linked in over here, then you must understand that your WhatsApp account is hacked. So further you can link your PC over here. So by following this simple step, you can know whether your WhatsApp account is hacked or not. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updates like this. Hope to see you guys in the next video.